Greetings. I'm coming to you from the R.W. Kern Center here on the campus of Hampshire College, and I'm really grateful to have the opportunity to speak with you today. The current situation is genuinely unprecedented. The global pandemic and the economic disruption that it has caused poses incredible challenges for all of higher education, Hampshire included. We are better positioned than almost any other college in the country to respond to that. It's in our nature and mission to be innovative and inventive and entrepreneurial, to respond creatively to the kinds of unexpected questions that are raised by an event like this. As we respond to these challenges and make hard decisions, there are several priorities that we have to keep in mind. First and foremost, Hampshire is about our students. We must make sure that as we make choices, that we provide a high quality, rigorous, student-focused and student-centered education. We have to make sure that we continue to commit to innovation and experimentation. And in this case, make absolutely sure that we rapidly, quickly, and successfully introduce our new approach to student learning. In order to ensure our success, we have to do three things. First, we must enroll a full class in the fall of 2021. We need to recruit and attract at least 350 students. Secondly, we need to maintain the really extraordinary success we've had to date in our Change for the Making $60 million campaign. And finally, we must accelerate the implementation of the new student experience that will drive both of those successes by showing very clearly and very vividly why our approach to education is the best approach to education for the time in which we find ourselves. To survive this kind of challenge, you have to be flexible, you have to be willing to take risks, you have to be willing to innovate, and most importantly, you have to be honest with yourself and with your community about how to build a future that works consistent with your mission. On Friday, the board adopted a series of resolutions directly emerging from the response to the COVID-19 pandemic. The main thrust of those resolutions show that the board is committed to supporting the future of Hampshire College. Those resolutions identified the resources in our endowment that can be spent to offset our deficits over the next several years and committed to doing that. They required us to develop a budget for the coming year that is manageable within our 5-year plan, while also ensuring that we can deliver the quality undergraduate program that our students expect. I'm confident that together we can ensure a bright future for Hampshire College. I look forward to a time when we can all meet together in person once again. In the meantime, thank you for your commitment to the college and all that you do to make our students successful.